Hi, my name is Randy Chapman. I'm a recruiter with Management Recruiters. We're a group of recruiting specialists and working a lot with manufacturing companies, automotive, Tier 1, Tier 2 supply companies. We have a Tier 1 automotive supplier, Japanese automotive supplier in Alabama. They're a metal stamping facility looking for an engineering manager or an assistant engineering manager who could possibly grow into the engineering manager role. So really what this is the leadership at this plant that really kind of coordinates all of the tooling requirements between all the moving pieces within tooling. So coordinate with the tooling room, with Japanese leadership at this plant, as well as in Japan where the tools are actually being built, and the engineering tooling group that you will oversee. You've got a couple of early career tooling engineers that report to you, but the big piece is really kind of coordinating all of that communication for requirements and specs and needs and testing and all of that for the tooling department. So if you've moved up through the tooling area or through the manufacturing floor and have experience communicating with the Japanese, you don't have to speak Japanese, but certainly have experience in kind of communicating through other methods, broken English, choppy words, pictures, things like that. So maybe some key Japanese words. Then we'd love to talk with you. It's a great opportunity. The company's really been growing by leaps and bounds, and this is an expansion position that could lead to a pretty good career. If this sounds like something you are interested in and qualified for, love to hear from you. My contact information is going to pop up here at the end of the video, and would love to hear from you. Thank you.